Okay, so check this out. I'm going to do update video for Delysium today. I'm overdue to do that, to be honest, for a very long time. I've been just so busy, but that I just noticed the theme just few days ago when I'm doing this video. It depends when you watch this video. This was on the 14th of June. Today it's around 22nd, 21st, 22nd, wherever it is. They've been in NVIDIA. The #1 company in the world, they say team cooking and generating at NVIDIA. So that's why you will see the price today is blowing up for 20% up. So what is Delysium? I was between the first people who did full updates video for Delysium, and they have a crypto node. I got the nodes. I got a couple of nodes. Me and the team, we spread a couple of nodes, and now we earning passive income every single day. And I'm going to tell you how you can do that and what's the price and how many tokens you can going to get. So Delysium, they had a game, what was AAA game and AI. So they started this journey around 2019, and I did already AMA with the team. So make sure you watch some of my AMA, because I was the first YouTuber who brought you Delysium right here. First YouTuber who brought you galaxies, first YouTuber who give you agent layer AMAs, okay? So make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe and like, because it's going to take you 10 seconds and it's mean a lot for me and helping me a lot for the channel. Now, Delysium token, it's only 180 million market cap, okay? We already have into the circulation 1/3 of the token, what is very, very good. So what's happening is the token come up, blow up from 3 cents to 30 cents, and then went down to 2 cents, and it was there for like screaming for buying and buying and buying. And then what's happened is they did a partnership with Microsoft. Once they did partnership with Microsoft, the price started blowing up and went from 2 cents all the way to 67 cents. Remember, AI now, it's a great narrative, and all the AI are down. What do you think is going to happen when AI narrative come back again? And we all know Elon Musk working with AI and everybody working with AI, what can bring the price hype again. And right now, I think it's so huge discount is just crazy. And also make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and never ever ever put more money you can afford to lose. This is my personal opinion. Okay, so let's go and let's check. So the price blow up to 60 cents, drop down to 22, blow up all the way again to like 35 cents, and now we're sitting around, went down to 16 cents just a couple of days ago, and now we are 20% up. Okay, now trading volume is 24 million. For this market cap is not bad at all. Also, you can buy the token on Gate, Bybit, Bitmart, also on PancakeSwap, okay? That's the good stuff because the token is on Ethereum, and also right here you can see on Binance Smart Chain. So let's talk about the node, okay, and the updates. So if you go here for the node, if you want to buy the node, use my code, please. That's the only way to get the node. And the node right now costs $2,700. Is it worth it? At the moment, the token price is 20 cents. At this moment, from all the nodes, this is the most worth it token. Why? Because you're earning around 18-20 tokens. That means you're earning around $4 per day. That means per month. At this price, you're earning around to $120. Okay, but check this out. The price, it is very, very low right now. If the price blow up to all-time high, what I don't think will take a long time when with all this AI narrative, if blow up to around 50-60 cents, you're going to earn around over $10 per day. What's mean in this price right now, if you're earning $120, it's going to take around 22-24 months. That's mean around 2 years to ROI. But if the price double, it's going to take you 1 year. If the price triple to new all-time high, it's going to take around 7 months to ROI, what is not bad at all. So you can just buy the node. I think you can buy on Polygon if I don't forget, and you can just hold in your wallet and you're earning everyday tokens. What means you don't need anything to run the node. You just buy and hold and you're earning tokens. Simple as that. You can withdraw and sell them on Binance. Simple like that. All right, so that's about it for the node. Now, if you go back and if you check, they have over 16,800 nodes sold. What is crazy, 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 crazy. Go and check their Twitter. They have many updates right there, everything what they doing. Now, the new, they have also a very good, somebody write down a great article, by the way, for the Lucy, okay? Lucy is their first like AI, what they're using, and it's a great article. Go and read it, and he explaining why his thing is this thing is going to blow up. And just remember, 183 million market cap is exactly nothing. If this just to hit 1 billion, that's 7x from now. That's mean I don't think it's impossible. Again, that's my personal opinion. I think this should easily hit a billion, and this should easily be over $1. So what's mean I'm not selling shit till that's happened. You can also stake your tokens, and for great APR, I locked my tokens for 6 months, 12 months, 2 years even. And here you will see for the Lucy Alpha wallets, they use over 1.4 million transactions recorded, 2.6 million. Lucy Beta wait list, they have 23,000 plus, okay? And that is crazy. They have the digital native financial infrastructure for AI agent. This is the YKIL network. You know I love you, I think that was the name of the network. So they are building behind the scenes a lot. They're working behind the scenes a lot. Go and check them out. They are working with Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, BNB Chain, Immutable, Polygon, Galaxy, correct? Crypto, Ethos, Atos? I don't know them, sorry. So you can go and check the Lucy right here, because it's the first AI agent on the you know I love you network, okay? You can go and check them out. So this is right there. This is how it's look. Let me just open Lucy. You can go and ask anything you want. You can connect your wallet, you can send transaction, you can buy tokens, whatever you want. It's all with AI, and it's scary to think how much they go up with all the information they're providing. If you go and check their Discord, you will see they have almost 100,000 people with 3,300 online right now. They have AMAs pretty much all the time. I think it's once per week they have AMAs. Go and listen to them, go interact with them, and check if you think, do you want to get in? If you don't want to get in, and maybe you think that to get the note or not, and that's just up to you, because you're responsible for your own losing money or making money. Thank you so much. God bless. Make sure you leave a comment so you can be in the lucky winner, so you can win some free money. All right, thank you. Goodbye.